If you take a look, this Sandisk Sansa that takes one AAA battery, well, look now. It now takes a AA battery. I had to modify it. Look closer inside here. You can see there's a dead, literally a dead, carbon zinc battery that's just holding the two wires from the other battery compartment in place. And that's all that took. And it was that simple to get done. Pins it in place. Run times far longer. The dead battery is simply a placeholder. And the reason why I used carbon zinc is that it won't leak regardless how long it stays in there for. Now if it was an ordinary alkaline battery, yes, it would leak. It would totally destroy this device. But now, it's not, because I made sure that wouldn't happen. So, yep, I took this off to show that there's another battery underneath, simply holding the wires together. But this keeps it in place so the wires don't shift. Otherwise, well, it'll die, because that other battery does not work. Okay, thanks for watching. Just something I wanted to do. So I wanted to, show off. Cheerio.